Okay, Kate, this is Sophia, and Sophia is daughter to our champion Starbuck. She's what you call a red-nosed red, or a chocolate-based red, and she loves swimming. So I'm wondering, what do you think about swimming? But she's a gorgeous girl, and she loves to play.
I was telling him, Kate, that you and I used to go swimming at Ridgewood Pool. I don't know if you remember that, but I got some pictures, some black and whites of you and I in our bathing suits at Ridgewood Pool when we were like, I don't know, kindergarten age or something like that. So I know you liked swimming back then. I don't know if you still do now, but I know you like kayaking and being in the water. So
and she loves water. And she's a lighter red than what she's looking like right now, because she's kind of in the shade. And she has a brown nose, and she has hazel eyes. Let's see if we can, there you can see a little bit more. But she's a sweetie pie.